Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Brachiosaurus standing up from Jurassic Park. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Brachiosaurus, we want to begin up here at the top of our paper. So to start up, we're going to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a little black dot for the eye. Then I'm going to add a couple little lines right underneath it. And I'm going to put a little line right above it for the eyebrow. Starting here just a little bit away from the eyebrow, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go out and it's going to come down to form the nose. We're going to make a little line that's going to go up and it's going to come down for the mouth. And a little line is going to come down and over. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up. And a little line that's going to go over and come up here. We'll make a little curved line here. And we'll make a little line that's going to go up and come back for the tongue. Now, starting up here by the back of the head, we need to make the neck. So to do this, we're going to start right up here, and we're just going to draw a long line that's just going to come down, and it's going to go back like this. And we're going to start here, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to go down, and we're going to come right to here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down at an angle. It's going to come up. And we're going to angle it down and make a line that comes down like this. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, a couple little lines. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and we're going to come up to here. And we'll connect this. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down for the back leg. And we're going to angle it in just a little bit more. We'll make a line that's going to come down. And we're going to go over. Once we draw on the foot, we want to make the back of the leg. So let's draw a line that's going to come up here. Then we're going to make it a little bit rounder and bigger at the top. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring it down here, and I'm going to bring it up. We're going to make it a little pointy at the end, and we're going to make it skinny, and then it's going to get nice and wide as it comes back. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Make a line that's going to come down here, and we're going to go over. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. Now, for the other front leg, all we're going to do is draw a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to go out and down again. Make a line that goes over and up. And another one here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go over and come up to here. Now, starting up here, we want to just add a few details because we have our basic shape of our standing Brachiosaurus. So the first thing I'm going to do is just add a couple little lines up here for some details. I'm going to add a little black dot up here because that's kind of where their nostril was. We're going to make a couple little lines right around the mouth. And a couple more little lines by the eye. Maybe a little line or two by the nose. Make a long broken line down here, and another one here. And a couple more little lines here by the legs. Make a little line that curves up and a line that comes down, and one here. Do the same thing, curve up, and two little lines down for some toes. Do the same thing here. We're going to curve up, a couple little lines for toes, and we'll do the same thing with a couple little lines for toes. We'll add a couple little curved lines for some elbows. And we'll just, add a few little broken lines right around here. And this just kind of makes it look a little more realistic. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Brachiosaurus standing up from Jurassic Park and Jurassic World. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.